Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to go over how you can add another account to your Zoom app. If you want to use multiple Zoom accounts for meetings, work, or personal use, I've got you covered, so let's dive into it. First, open up the Zoom app on your mobile device or your desktop. Now make sure to log into your account, and once you're in the home page, tap the More button at the bottom right hand corner. In the More menu, tap on your profile username at the top. Scroll all the way down and look for the Switch Account option and tap on it. Now click on Add Account. Go ahead and sign in by using one of these sign-in options. If you have multiple accounts, go ahead and type down the username or the password of that account in the respective text boxes. You can also use other sign-in methods at the bottom. After typing down your credentials, tap on Sign In or follow through the sign-in process. Right after you do that, you will be able to log into the another account as well. Now, if you want to switch between them, you can go to the More button at the bottom right and tap on your username at the top. Scroll all the way down from the My Profile section and tap on Switch Accounts. Now you'll be able to see all of the accounts that you have linked with. Go ahead and tap on the account you want to switch in between. And that's how you will be able to use multiple accounts for Zoom. You have now added another Zoom account. It's that simple to switch between accounts or manage multiple logins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe to our channel for more Zoom tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. Stay tuned for more tutorials and always stay connected. Thanks for watching.